Da gajing sokya lor gajing tumu ke sorkar jela belalam kabat dengan National People's Party ban IT no ya ki artli ki dam pen mi boarding jong gejela shakawi ka company banabar gejela na kaliang ki sautli ki kenhon sang balang na riboy ha ka sautri gujeliau ki lapen pa we gajing persya ka bajur bat penrem halur kani gajing tumu ke basap sop jong ki bor ke sorkar jela. Kini ki sautli ki seng ki kenthop ka KSU, RBYF, FKJGP bat HNYF na riboy bat ki persya ka rai jong sorkar jela ban IT penyat aku umtru hydro power station ka badan habernihat ka balak ban penmi boarding omduna ya ka prapau megawatt. Hagaji kendo pekilat pathai kubor na kaliang kinong yalam jogini sautli ki seng ki bakenthop uba Ferdinand Karkamni presiden ka KSU uba Bipul Thangkeo presiden ka RBYF uba Louis Star Lengdo presiden ka FKJGP pad uba Marcos Martin presiden ka HNYF kila kentho tenge halur kini kejing temu jong ke sorkar jela. Habakran kilat pathai kubor kini kinong yalam kila kedo persya ba ka umtru power station kadai ka badang shpenhe dangshen bat ka balong ka weni ki power station ka babun teli kiwa ka bayarap pan pentrekam ya kania lengba kadam ka balashna ha ka shnong narbong ha bernihat. Kini kinong yalam kila penpau ba kinom ailat ki company Shimed banwan trekam ha kani ka jaka lar ka sorkar ka yat bet halur kani ka rai jongka. Namar kani kan samanra ka jingdo nong ka bakraw ki trai muluk jong ka jela kamtam ha ka bede bat kalat yo kam yo jam. Bat gilaong bakin nang yeng ban persya bet halor kani ka rai jong ka sorkar pan ai wash ka company bana syabar. Syuk kini ginong yalam kila keren persya aru da kabakeno bakane kejing ai no ya gini kejaga penmi boarding syek company banambar gejela kadai tang kejing temu ban yo nong Shimed.
Lada ai no iki syekini ki company Shimed. Isu tu ba kejungan ni company Shimed kenaman tang ka company dari wat ki breu ki banambar ki engineer ki domtre ibarit bariaru kinora lut porok na ketika company lani kepada nanu ka state na ko dia kinora lut porok kinontre wat angta ni sutu ba duk jingmentoi jong kitrai jela ki jungi kata di bawai ke ba kepada kape ka ba la ngi pet bat ki persya ki jungi balada ka so ba ka sarkar kamna ban penyat ya kani ke power station lan ikan tang po coba boi jungi ban 20 megawatt ka kapsong nongre meki bakin bat ya suki bakti du ban penyat ya jela ka jungi mal kalau keke musuh formula ada ipai ya kisan totally substation ru kila temu ban aiwai bat wat yakini ki power station bidungi ru kila temu ban aiwai competition
ya kasan pundu teli ki substation kepada kalian ke sorkar ka temu ban aiwai no seki company simen kepada ka 33 bat 11 kV berkumju yang ka temu kata ke we kampak kot ka persya handling nang yi bat mentaba sa ke power station ru la kalian kani ke sorkar kalayak syakmat dah halau kani saya cisim ke power sya ka sorkar endi balada sisa kamna asuk ban terikam dalam kebor jungki kabhahi bakin IT no ya ka sorkar berpeniak no segiwi ke parti dalam bakin songkhan no laga ban rai no ildi bakin so ya hapsu bakin kitri ya ka jelahi berboy.
This has come to the cabinet and the cabinet will now review this entire aspect and we will take a decision in the next 1 week whether it will be appropriate for the state government to take the entire burden of the loan and pay and bail out MECL all the time, which we've been doing quite a number of times, or do we look at a system where we allow some professionalism coming in without harming the structure of MECL, without harming the employees, but allowing an overall system to come in where we have some kind of professional aspect coming in. So therefore, this is a critical issue. The cabinet has not decided on which way to go. We will spend the next 4-5 days looking at all the options that are there. And only then, once we take all the stakeholders on board, once we take all the different organizations, the engineers and other officials on board, discuss with them, if we can find a way to move forward in which we are able to improve the efficiency and yet not allow the DF, we'll be happy to move forward in that line also. But if we see that, as I said, the question is about 560 crores of revenue that the government of Meghalaya will have to give additionally to bail out MECL. So this is the long story in short, but to also conclude in this is that number one, this matter has now come to the cabinet. There is no agreement that has been signed. There is no final decision that has been taken. That's number one. So we are still examining the pros and cons on how to move forward.